Okay, this cream is actually insane. Look at my skin right now. No filter, no makeup. I just woke up. This is 2 weeks of Lumia and I'm literally glowing. The texture is insane, not greasy, just melts right in. I'm obsessed. Trust me, just get it. You'll thank me later.
What if you could describe a product to Claude, walk away, and come back to a finished video ad ready to post? No editing, no separate tools, no back and forth, just one prompt and a complete ad drop out the other side. That's exactly what I'm about to show you. If you watched my last video, you already know what Higgsfield MCP is and how to set it up. If you're new here, the short version is this. Higgsfield MCP is a connector that gives Claude the ability to generate images and video natively inside your chat. One session, start to finish, no other tools open. The link to get started is in the description. Setup takes 30 seconds. Now let's get into it. This is the main interface of Higgsfield MCP. You can get here directly using the link in the description. But if you're on the main Higgsfield page instead, simply click MCP on the top menu and it will take you straight to the MCP interface. Once you're here, click on MCP and head over to this section to choose your platform. It could be Claude, Perplexity, Cursor, OpenClaw, or Hermes, but for this demo, I'll be using Claude. In the previous video, I showed you how to connect Claude to Higgsfield step by step. All you need to do is copy this link and then click here to go directly to Claude AI. Once you're inside Claude, click Customize on the side panel and then select Connectors. As you can see, I've already connected Higgsfield, which I demonstrated in the previous video. But if this is your first time, simply click the plus icon and select Add Custom Connector. This will allow you to give your MCP any name you want and paste in the URL you copied from Higgsfield. Now let's get into the main workflow. With Higgsfield connected, Claude can now generate images and videos directly through MCP, something it normally wouldn't be able to do on its own. I'm going to click the plus icon and upload my product image. Now I'll paste in my prompt, which says, I am uploading an image of my product, a lip gloss called Glow Strawberry, with a bright green rectangular body and a hot pink rounded cap. Use this product image and generate a 15-second vertical UGC professional video ad using Seedance Too Fast. Feature a real-looking young woman with natural glowing skin using and reacting to the product. Make it feel like an authentic TikTok video. Handheld camera, slightly imperfect framing, natural bedroom or home lighting. She should show the product, apply it, and react genuinely. Include natural dialogue throughout. She opens by saying, okay, you need this. Mid-video, she says one swipe and look at that glow, and she closes with Glow Strawberry. Seriously obsessed. Add soft, upbeat, trending background music. Output one single final vertical 15-second video ad ready to post on TikTok or Instagram Reels. Then I'll submit it, and right away you can see Claude communicating directly with Higgsfield through the connected MCP, sending the request, and coordinating the entire generation process automatically. You can also see that Claude is verifying things like Seedance 2's supported video duration and aspect ratio before submitting the final generation request, helping ensure the output matches exactly what was asked for. As you can see, the video generation has now started right inside Claude AI, so let's give it a little time to finish. After processing the instructions, Claude also creates the detailed production prompt that will be used for the video generation. If you want to see everything, you can simply click here. Now, let's take a look at the final result.
Okay, you need this. One swipe and look at that glow. Glow Strawberry, seriously obsessed.
And there it is. The video came out as a complete UGC style advertisement, ready to post straight to TikTok, Instagram Reels, or other social media platforms without any additional editing. If you like the result, simply click here to download it. You can also click here to predict the virality of the video. This is a free feature provided by Higgsfield. When you click it, a short command will automatically appear in your chat box. Simply send it, and Claude will handle the rest of the process for you. So I'll click allow and let Claude continue its work. And now it's analyzing the video, looking at factors such as audience retention, engagement potential, hook strength, and overall performance to estimate how the content may perform across platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and others. Let's give it a moment to complete the analysis. Now the results are in, so let's go through them together. The video duration is 15 seconds, the hook score is 30, the sustain score is 100%, and the engagement score is 48 out of 100. You'll also notice that the graph down here keeps changing over time. That doesn't necessarily mean the video is performing badly. These predictions are dynamic and can be updated as the system evaluates different performance signals. In other words, the projected results can improve or decrease over time, so it's best to use these scores as guidance rather than as a final verdict on your video's success. Moving on to the next example, let's see how Higgsfield MCP can do much more than just generate videos. So let me quickly open a new chat and jump into it. I'll paste in my research prompt, which says, research the rise of remote work since 2020. Write a structured, visually rich report covering the key statistics and growth numbers, the industries most affected, the tools that made it possible, the impact on productivity and work-life balance, and where remote work is headed in the future. For every section that would benefit from a visual, do not use a placeholder. Instead, use Higgsfield MCP to generate an actual image that represents that section. For example, a graph or data visualization for the statistics section, a lifestyle image of someone working remotely for the productivity section, a clean infographic style image for the tools section, and so on. Generate each image automatically as you write each section. Use GPT Image 2 for all image generation at 2K resolution. The final output should read like a premium visual research report with real generated images placed throughout, not a plain text document. Claude is now performing web research to gather real data and information for the report. Normally, Claude would simply write the report and leave you to create or source the visuals yourself. But with Higgsfield MCP connected, it can automatically generate and insert the necessary images as part of the workflow, saving a significant amount of time. As you can see, the image generation process has now started. Claude is creating custom visuals for each section of the report, and once everything is complete, those images will be automatically integrated into the final document in the appropriate places. Looking at the results, these are all the images that were generated and prepared for the report. And now, here is the completed report, so let me open it. You can see how well everything is organized. Not only did Claude research and write the report, but it also generated and inserted all the supporting visuals through Higgsfield MCP. So Higgsfield MCP inside Claude isn't just about image and video generation. It can also help automate complete content creation workflows, combining research, writing, design, and media generation into a single process. Now, let me quickly explain something. Claude provided this HTML file to be opened outside of Claude because the CloudFront domain hosting the content isn't accessible within Claude's sandbox environment. Opening it externally allows you to view the report exactly as intended. Now, let's move on to the final part of the video where I'll be creating my final UGC ads. Let me quickly upload 3 reference images. As you can see, all 3 images are now attached and ready to use. Next, I'll paste in my prompt. Since the prompt is quite long, I'll leave it in the description of this video so you can copy and use it yourself. This example demonstrates how Claude can automate an entire creative workflow. Instead of generating ad variations one at a time, it's going to create 3 different versions using the same reference images. This allows you to generate multiple options in a single run, compare the results, and simply choose the one you like best. Let's give it a little time to finish generating the videos. Right now, all 3 variations are generating. The first one is morning routine, the second one is premium showcase, and the third one is lifestyle and wellness. Finally, the results are ready. One of the generations failed, but we still have 2 completed versions, so let's watch them now. If the results aren't perfect, you can always regenerate them until you get exactly what you're looking for. And that's pretty much how Higgsfield MCP works inside Claude. As you can see, it's not just about generating images or videos. It can help automate entire workflows, whether you're creating ads, producing content, building reports, or handling creative tasks that would normally require multiple tools. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more AI tutorials and workflow guides. Also, let me know in the comments what you would like me to test next with Higgsfield MCP. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.